Class, we are back. I've told you that the first one we are going to solve is how to make a table of numbers. And the question, let's use this question to illustrate it, to explain it, okay? And it will serve as our example at the same time. Draw the graph of y equals to 4x minus 8 for values of x from minus 4 to plus 4. So what makes x to be a variable is because we have so many numbers. So the word variable, vary. So it could be minus 4, it could be plus 4. Variable, okay, it could vary. That's why they call it variable, the x and the y. So we are going to draw a table now, but first we stretch this minus 4 to plus 4, which we are going to use number line. So let's start. You will write the variable x, write it. So the first number is minus 4, and on the number line, what will be here is minus 3, then minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So don't forget that if you don't have anything there, so that means plus 4 is there, okay? It's plus. Plus is in front like that. Now, we have stretched it, but sometimes the examiner won't give you the values of x. It will be expected of you to form it yourself. And I suggest to you that you make do with minus 4 to plus 4, okay? It's self-stated by the examiner. They could say make it plus 2, make it from minus 1 to plus 3. Whatever one given to you, just stretch that and stay within that. But if you are not given at all, use minus 4 to plus 4. Now, we have known the value of, we have known all the numbers in front of x. Let's get that of y as well. Y, and please let us write it, let it be in a tabular form, so that you know which number belongs to what when you are plotting your graph. Okay, so y, the value of y is what we want to calculate now. That is where the formula comes in, this one. So we are going to we'll write it out, y equals to 4x minus 8. And what are you going to do with the formula? Anywhere you have x in the formula, be putting, to know the y that will be adjacent, that will work with the number. Put this place in place of x. Yes, the value of x, put it in place of x and work it out. Whatever you get is your y in that place. So for the minus 4, let it be in a bracket, okay? Because if you don't put it in a bracket, it will just be a subtraction to the 4, whereas it is by mathematically it is multiplication as they are, like this. 4x is 4 times x. So if you don't put in a bracket, what you are saying is 4 minus 4, which is different from what is up here. Minus 8. 4 times minus 4. 4 times minus 4. Don't forget your plus is here. So plus times minus is minus. 4 times 4 is 16. And you have a minus 8. Minus 8. If you don't have anything between them, you will write the sign of the bigger number, okay? If you don't have anything like multiplication or division between the two, we are having two terms here, minus 16 and minus 8. So if you don't have anything between them, write the sign of the bigger number minus bigger digits, minus. Then because the signs are the same, you will add the numbers together. If they are different, you will subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. But in this case, signs are the same. Add the two digits together, which is 24. So we're having minus 24 as the value of y. You are going to do all this throughout. For the 3, it will be y equals to 4x minus 8. 4 into minus 3 minus 8. It will be minus 12. Take note, okay? 4 times minus 3 is minus 12, then the minus 8. So it's going to give us minus 20. It's going to give us minus 20. Write it, minus 20. Let's continue. Y equals to 4x minus 8 for the next one, which is 2. Don't forget, we are just fixing the value of y in the value of x in the place of x in the equation, and that will help us to get the value of y, and we write it. So 4 into minus 2 minus 8. 4 times minus 2 is going to give us minus 8, then minus 8. So this one is minus 8 minus 8. So this one is minus 16. Okay, minus 16 minus 16. Y equals to 4x minus 8. 4x minus 8. 4 into minus 1 minus 8. Okay, so 4 minus 1 minus 8. Okay, this one is 16. Take note. 1 minus 16, not minus 6 minus 16. So let's continue with this. 4 minus 1 minus 8. It will be 4 times minus 1 will give us minus 4, then minus 8. This one will give us minus 12. Right, minus 12. Okay, in the case of 0, 4x equals 4x minus 8. 4 into 0 minus 8. 4 times 0 is 0, then minus 8. When you're having this one, the answer will be the thing beside the 0, which is minus 8. Then do the same thing for 1. Plus y equals to 4x minus 8 equals to the 4 into 1. Don't forget 1 minus 8. It will be 4 times 1, 4, minus 8. This time around, it has changed slightly. Put your plus in this place. What do? The sign of the bigger digit, write it out, which is minus. 8 is bigger than 4, the digit. So the sign, minus, write it. Because the signs are different, take away the small digit from the bigger digit, which will be 4. Write it, minus 4. Go on. Y equals to 4x minus 8. So 4 into 2 minus 8. 4 times 2 is 8, and 8 minus 8 is 0. Write it. Y equals to 4x minus 3 minus 8. 4 into 3 minus 8. 4 times 3 is 12 minus 8. That will give us 12 minus 8 will give us 4. Okay, write your 4, and I suggest put the plus there. Then the last one, you'll be having y equals to 4x minus 8. 4 into 4 minus 8. 4 times 4 is 16 minus 8, which will give you 8. Write your plus 8 in this place. So this is how to make the table of value. This is how to make the table of value. So I believe you understand it now. When we are talking about the table of value, just know the value, the range, the values of x. Expand it in using number line. Then put each value of x in the equation, work it out to know the value of y. With that, you will get your value of y. So we have known the value of x, we have known the value of y. That is how to make a table of values in graph. Thank you.